To do this project, you need a breadboard, 4 diodes, 4 1K resistor, 2 push button. Also need 2 NPN transistor TRP 122, first pin is base, second pin is collector and third pin is emitter. Also need 2 PNP transistor TRP 42, which is first pin is base, second pin is collector and third pin is emitter. Also need some wire, a DC motor with propeller. This is the circuit diagram of a H-bridge circuit. In H-bridge circuit, I use 4 transistor, and there are 2 type of transistor. One is TRP 122, other type of transistor is TRP 42. Basically, TRP 122 is a NPN transistor. On the other hand, TRP 42 is a PNP transistor. And in NPN transistor, we use a push button in the base, and all the transistor I put a 1K resistor to limit the base current. All the 4 transistor in base pin, I use a 1K resistor to limit the base current of the transistor, and also a diode, reverse diode input in the motor, because to preventing the back voltage, basically 4 diodes are put in here to protect those transistor. When this button is pressed, then the NPN transistor will get a positive voltage in the base pin, and this transistor will active and current will flow through collector to emitter, and the current will flow to collector to emitter and go back to the motor, and it will ground by this transistor. On the other hand, if this push button is pressed, then this transistor will active, and this time the current will flow to collector to emitter and it will ground through this transistor, and the motor will run in reverse polarity. So this is the circuit diagram. Now let's see the breadboard connection now. Now NPN transistor connected in the breadboard, other NPN transistor connected in the breadboard. Now a wire is connected in the emitter pin of the NPN transistor. Other wire is connected with the emitter pin of the NPN transistor. Now PNP transistor is connected in the breadboard. Other PNP transistor is connected in the breadboard. Both NPN and PNP transistor emitter pin are connected. All the transistor base pin is connected with a 1K resistor. To limit the base current, we use 1K resistor in every transistor. Now NPN transistor base is connected with the ground. Other NPN transistor base is connected with ground, and PNP transistors base pin is connected with push button. Now opposite terminal of the push button is connected with positive rail of the breadboard. Also for this other transistor. Now collector is connected with negative terminal of the breadboard. Now connect other wire. Collector pin is connected with a negative rail of the breadboard. Now PNP transistor collector is connected with the positive rail of the breadboard. Now other collector pin is connected with positive rail of the breadboard. It's a PNP transistor. Now emitter pin is connected with a diode with facing cathode to emitter. Same process. For PNP transistor, the emitter pin is facing the diode anode terminal. Now anode is connected with the emitter pin and cathode is connected with a positive rail of the breadboard. Now connecting power to the circuit. Any terminal of the motor is connected with the emitter pin. Other terminal of the motor is connected with the emitter pin. If push button pressed, then the motor rotate anti-clockwise. Other push button pressed, then the motor run clockwise. Now anti-clockwise. Now clockwise. According to push button, the motor rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise. So if you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time.